1:10 a.m. here in Allston. Mansfield Street. I don't know if it's just the wind or if the snow just hasn't been very heavy, but only a couple of inches on the ground here on the street. Very quiet. "1:15 a.m. Lincoln Street. So far all the lights are still on. No power shortages. We're actually near a power station. Train's still going by. Moving up onto Cambridge Street. On the overpass over I-90. "1:15 a.m. Lincoln Street. So far all the lights are still on. No power shortages. We're actually near a power station. Train's still going by. Moving up onto Cambridge Street. On the overpass over I-90. Footbridge going over the interstate. I saw a taxi cab moving along here. Now it's deserted. Bridge is a favorite place for photographers. Love to take a few shots through this little hole they cut. Let's see who's out today. Can't very well make out who they were. Official vehicles? Or just thrill seekers like me? We see another one. As I noted before, the snow has not yet accumulated very high. It's deepest along the side of the road, and even then it's only up to the ankles. This is the neighborhood fire station. Power station. It's the wind that's making things really cold. Yeah, one other person out, just taking a look around it. Oh, who else is there? Hey, nice night, huh?
Yeah, man. Nice spectacular.
Not terrible. Not terrible. And yet again, I like the ghostly blue effect that the light has when the camera's turned on at this exposure. Other times it has a yellow or orange effect because it depends on what kind of light there is. Boy, people scare just too easy sometimes. Then again, the night's still young. Thank you for your service. Let's see again. It's about 1:30. And as yet, no major drifting. expect it to stay like this, snowing steadily through the night till sunup and into the day. Be reporting more on the progress of the blizzard as the day goes on.